Alright, folks, this is the DDP EVO. This is just a quick reassembly video, just to show placement of O-rings in case you ever run into any issues. It goes together pretty straightforward. Here we have the base, 2 O-rings there, 1 isolator in there, and the gold-plated center pin. AFC ring just connects. Like so. I just washed these so the O-rings are a little bit dry. Might take some working in. Here we have the tank assembly. So we're gonna have the bottom section, 1 O-ring there. The glass tank section just connects there. The O-ring holds it in place and creates the seal. There's another O-ring underneath here, and that just holds like that. And another O-ring up here. These parts are held together by this bell section, which has, I don't know if you can see here, 1 notch, 2 notches, where these are locators, and they connect with the notches in here. So when that goes in, you'll turn it until it drops into place, and then that way when you turn this top piece, that bell doesn't spin around on you, and you can get a good tight fitment. And then that's that. Bullet coil. So this is a brand new coil here. I'm just going to be trying a new liquid. I wanted to try out some salts, some nicotine salts in the EVO. I'm using Silk Nic Cafe Vanilla. This is a 20 milligram liquid. And just like all pre-made coils, we're gonna prime it with a few drops. I like to get it nice and saturated. I usually do it outside of the tank, so if there's any excess liquid, it'll drip through. So far we're okay. And I also like to wet this O-ring a little bit. That just makes installation into here a little bit easier, and just slides a bit easier, just as lubricant, right? And then this base screws on. That's that. That's pretty much fully assembled. Just gonna fill it up. Nice big fill ports. And the top cap. So the top cap has 1 O-ring under there. Normally the stock drip tip would be sitting there, but I'm going to be using the 510 adapter that it comes with. That just pops in. Make sure it's nice and flush. And this drip tip, this is the Gen 1 drip tip from Play. It's a micro bore drip tip. Get a quick wipe. It's no mess, good. Normally you should let it sit a little bit, but because I've primed it so much, might be okay to fire already. I normally start firing fresh coils at 16 watts. This is the stratum. Let's give it a try. Good.